Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video I've got a new Windows 11 build to look at. This is build 25272 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel, the first build of 2023. Not a huge amount in this one. Microsoft's just getting warmed up I think for builds this year, and we should see some interesting new features over the next 12 months. So what's changed in this build? Well, apart from, you can see I've got the changed search box. This is the one in dev, this is the one in production. These are changing all the time, so Microsoft's still working on those. A couple of minor changes really with this build. If you go to all apps on there, you should see Quick Assist. There we go. Has been moved out of the Windows Tools folder. Just make it a bit easier. A feature that's actually been removed is the suggested actions for copy text. So it would do that. You could copy some text and it would show some suggested actions from when you copied it from Microsoft Edge. They've removed that one. If you're a WSL user, which is the Windows subsystem for Linux, you'll actually find that this has been removed with this build and you've got to reinstall it. Microsoft have got a blog post on that one, which you can find the details on thedigitallife.com on how to do that if you're a WSL user. I'm not using it on this machine, but I do have it on my little Surface Go, which actually works really well on there. So another change here is you've got the refresh button when you're in the print queue, in the Windows print queue on there. You can refresh that, which is quite handy. The rest of the changes are actually just fixes. They have fixed an issue with ARM64 devices. It would have a black screen when you're resuming from sleep, so that's good to know for if you've got an ARM device. They fixed some issues with various UI elements disappearing in recent builds, so something would crash and an element would disappear. There's fixes for the start button where the search box would not render correctly, and they fixed some Japanese language issues as well. And there's quite a few fixes for Task Manager with not rendering right, not displaying correctly. They fixed some issues with the VPN, would hang if you cancelled out of the authentication, and they fixed some general issues with crashing and that kind of thing. There are a few known issues with this build still. If you've got an ARM64 device, you might not be able to use Windows Hello, you might have to use your PIN. And for all users, the taskbar may be sometimes cropped when you use the tablet optimized taskbar on a second monitor. So I use the tablet optimizer when I'm a Surface Go, but only on a single monitor. And some dialogues may not render correctly as well in Task Manager. But that's it for these changes. Not a huge amount I can show you. As Microsoft include more features, I'll be able to show you those. If you're interested in joining the Windows Insider program, I've got videos on our YouTube channel, so you can check out that. Just search for that. So that was 25272 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. Thanks for watching.